Yeah, good morning, friends. Neha, can you hear me?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, Neha, this is a add-on batch. Add-on batch in the sense, we have already started a batch at 10 a.m. I have completed couple of basic classes there. Not yet started any main class. I've just completed couple of basic classes. So
Okay.
I'm planning to take few more people from this 11 a.m. batch, if possible, if anyone is interested. Then most probably from tomorrow, I'll be adding them in the 10 a.m. batch. Or let's say maybe I can take one or two separate classes for them. So maybe I can add them in the AWS 10 a.m. batch. So let me just go through the details in, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes. Then hopefully, let's see what we can do. We can talk on this. And let's say if everything is okay, then we can have a plan for this actually. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay, so you're interested in complete package, right? AWS and the Linux administration, or what exactly is your requirement? Yeah, can you please just elaborate a
Uh,
bit?
yeah, sure. The thing is, basically, I'm looking for AWS from scratch itself.
Mm-hmm.
AWS along with DevOps and
Mm-hmm.
Linux as well as shell scripting. So everything I'm looking for from AWS perspective.
Okay, fine. So if you're looking for everything, actually, like what you said, like DevOps and all the other things, this is actually a package where we have these things. Let me just remove this. Okay, so we have AWS in this package as well as the Linux server administration. Okay. Now, coming
Okay.
to the DevOps, the basic requirement for DevOps is the cloud computing, that is AWS, and the Linux server administration. If you're counting everything as one single course, no, this is not a single course actually. These are four different courses. AWS is counted as a different course, Linux server is counted as a different course, and DevOps is again a different course. Okay.
Okay.
To start learning AWS, you can start from basics, from very scratch. There are no pre-requirements needed to learn AWS. Okay, whatever things are needed, like, you should have some knowledge on networking, storage, and the servers. I'll be covering all these things when we go with our regular classes. But coming to DevOps, without having the knowledge of cloud and Linux or cloud and servers, you cannot go with DevOps for sure. So let us keep DevOps at second level. Okay.
Okay.
First we need to go with the cloud computing and the server administration. So this package we are dealing with AWS, Linux server administration as our live sessions, and I'll be sharing some Windows server administration recorded session, my recorded sessions. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So this package is about AWS, Linux, and Windows Server Administration. This is not about DevOps actually. Like I said, DevOps is altogether a different course. It's a different thing. So after completing cloud and the server, you can go with DevOps. That is one thing. The second thing is this particular package. I'll be handling all the three courses here, like cloud, Linux, and like I said, these two classes will be live classes. Right now, 10 a.m. is the new batch. I have just started, like, I have just completed couple of basic sessions. Hopefully,
Mm-hmm.
management will share all the recordings with you. Just go to the recording sessions. If you're comfortable, then probably you can join us tomorrow at 10 a.m. That is a fun thing. Okay. And the Linux server administration, I'll start most probably next week. I recently started a batch actually last week only, morning 7 a.m. But I don't think you can come in that batch because I've already completed 8 to 10 classes there. So that is too far. It's not possible for
Okay.
you. So as of now, if interested, you can join in 10 a.m. batch from tomorrow by referring by going through the 2 or 3 recorded sessions, and you can come easily in AWS. That's for sure. I have not started any major thing, just the basic things. Okay, but coming to
Okay.
server again, most probably next week I'll start another Linux server administration batch, so that you can come in that. Now let me just add one more thing here. If you're planning to go with AWS, Linux, DevOps, with shell scripting and all those things, how much time you're expecting to complete all these courses actually?
See, there is no time barrier for me as of now. I'm working. So along with that, I just wanted to complete. So maybe probably 6 months I can consider for all those.
Ah, excellent, excellent. Yeah. See, I'm not sure like what happens tomorrow. That's a different thing. But if you say 6 months, that is the way to go with this particular courses. Normally, what people do, they just come for like 2 months and they say like, okay, I want to complete DevOps and cloud and Linux. That is literally not possible, my friend. So
Yeah,
4 to 6 months is some time actually. Say this is a career for next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. So if you're making a career on a particular technology for so long, 2 months
Mm-hmm.
is nowhere sufficient to learn everything. Okay, within 2 months, probably you can go with AWS and server administration, 2.5 months. See, this is duration. That is possible for this. But again, if you want to add DevOps, no. My
Yeah.
suggestion will be go with your AWS and the Linux server administration first. Whenever you go, wherever you go, that's a different discussion. Go with this first, then take a break for like say 20 days to like 1 month. Revise everything in AWS, revise everything in Linux. Just go through all the
Mm-hmm.
documents and practicals and everything. Then let's say within 3 months, you're ready to go with the DevOps. Or within 3 months, you're ready to face interviews on cloud as well as Linux server administration. The next 2 to 3 months, you can simply concentrate on DevOps. So then it will be easy for you. This is the best way to go up to like DevOps or cyber security or cloud and all these things. I repeat, people simply try to learn everything in 2 months or like, let's say 70 days. Classes can be done within 2 months. If someone is coming in 2 to 3 classes every day, they can finish obviously everything in 2 months. But at the end of the day, the knowledge is nil. I'm not saying even 10 or
Yeah.
20% actually. The knowledge will be nil. So company will
That's
not
right.
company will not hire me if I show like I have done these courses. Company will hire me if I know the technology, right? That's a simple
Right.
logic everyone makes
Absolutely right.
actually.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So let me just add some more things here. So this is a package, and every class will be recorded here, and we'll share all the recordings with you from day one to the last day of the session. And actually, this is the Diwali offer. Still, we are continuing with this Diwali. Although Diwali was like, 40 days before. We started this offer on Diwali, AWS, Linux Server Administration, and Windows Server Administration. Actual fees will be around 15K. But for
Mm-hmm.
that Diwali period, we started this offer in 6,999. Okay, so this is one
Okay.
more thing I want to add it here. And coming to the package, so coming to the syllabus actually, once we finish our demo session, most probably management will share all the recordings with you as well as the package details with you, like what exactly we are learning here. These are the
Okay.
management numbers here. And yeah, I'll share my number within couple of days actually, hopefully. And in case if you want to, in case if you have any doubts while practicing or anything else, you can, ping me on my WhatsApp number so that, I can help you. Small tips when you do practical, small tips from my side or small, small troubleshootings from my side will help you a lot in clearing all your practicals. But as of now,
Okay.
these are the management numbers. Okay. Any other details, any other queries about the course, fees, syllabus, and all these things, you can contact them. I'll be sharing my number after like couple of days. Okay. And by the way, this is me. This is my experience. I'm Shakeel here, Shakeel Aman. I have experience on Windows network. Let's say 14, 15 years means there is no need to say like, okay, what I did. Obviously, if someone is in a
Mm-hmm.
particular field for like 14 to 15 years, they have to grow themselves, right? They have to add many more things in their resume, in their particular, career. So I
Right.
did the same thing. It's a natural thing for everyone. So I did the same thing. So this is what I have I have done in my career. Okay. Now,
Okay.
you have any experience, you have any knowledge, like you said, you're working there, right? But you're working on what's your
Actually, I'm
profile?
working as a front-end developer, but I'm building basic pipelines for Azure actually. Azure. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So you have some knowledge
Yeah.
on Azure or overall in
Very
general
basic
plan?
understanding, just configuring YML files. That's it. Nothing
Okay,
like much
okay,
in
okay.
that. Yeah.
Okay, you have knowledge on a particular service on which you are working actually. You
Mm-hmm.
don't have the overall knowledge of cloud. Okay.
Yes,
And the
yes,
cloud that
yes.
you are learning here is actually AWS, Amazon Web Services.
Right.
Naturally, that is the way to go with cloud actually. First, Amazon Web Services, once you do with this, you're already done with your Azure and GCP actually. The services, the way the cloud works, everything is same in Azure as well as in cloud. Maybe
Okay.
services names are different and overall, few services here and there can be different, but overall the services remain same in every cloud platform. If you go with Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Oracle, or any other cloud platform, things will remain same. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So,
Okay.
but still, if you don't have any knowledge also, just a extra thing here. If you still don't have any knowledge of servers and cloud and everything, you can start everything from scratch. Let me just show you
Yes.
package here, a bit more details
I
you can.
have only one concern,
Mhm,
based on like whatever you have like explained till now. So I'm
mhm.
okay with 10 a.m. timing for AWS, okay? But parallelly going back, Linux server admin should not fall under like my office timings if I'm opting for packages. That's the only concern I have.
See, actually, the 10 a.m. is the last class for me in morning time. I have
Is
classes
it?
from
Okay.
morning 6 a.m. 10 a.m. is actually not the business hour. Morning 6,
Mm-hmm.
7, 8, 9 are the actual business hours. So we are not expecting a lot of people at 10 a.m. 7 a.m., 9 a.m. we are expecting we will get many people there for sure. That's a different time. So yeah, if your office is after 10, 11, you will not face any issue because when I start the next landing batch, it will be either morning before 10 a.m. or it will be, let's say, evening 7, 8, 9, 10 p.m.
Okay, then that's super cool. Then I'm like okay
That's
with
the,
it.
yeah,
Yes.
that's the timings I have. But still take your time. Just try to get the recordings from the management and just go through the recordings. Maybe you can come for like 1 or 2 more days for sure. I'll ask them to share the link with you because already the link is paid link, 10
Okay.
a.m. people. We have few people there who are coming. So it's a paid link, but still I'll ask them to share the link with you so that you can just come for like one or two
Yes.
more days
Yes.
and you
It will
can,
be great. Yeah, if
yeah,
you can do that. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, I'll ask them to do that. And coming to the recorded sessions, the recorded sessions are available with the management. It is, I think, available on YouTube also. Okay, let's see. Let me ask them to share the link with you. Just go through the recorded sessions and let's see what happens. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Sure.
yeah, it's up to you now. Anything else you have to discuss? Any other questions, queries
You
regarding?
about to show something? I guess I interrupted in between.
Yeah, yeah. I
You.
was
Yeah.
about to show you the package actually. The course curriculum anyway. So this is the course curriculum we have here. Linux server administration, Windows and AWS. Windows, like I said, you only recorded sessions will be there. And
Mm-hmm.
Linux, we are going with the latest one, 9.4 version, 5 version, whatever is it, the latest one. I'll just download that and I'll go with that particular version. So this is Linux. I've just added the main topics here. I have not, added everything. Like, if I say Linux basic commands, I could have easily add 30, 40, 50 commands there. But, we're not adding in that way. I'm just saying Linux basic command is a topic there. And we will see what
Mm-hmm.
exactly is there inside this particular topic. If it's a file and directory permission, it may take more than one class for me. So if I say
Okay.
user and group management, it will take at least 2 classes for me. So like this, some topics we can finish within 2 topics, we can finish in one day. In some cases, one topic can go for like 2 classes. Every class will be for around 1 hour, at least 60 minutes will be there, and 5 weeks, 5 days a week. And in some cases, I can take a class on Saturday if there is a special
Okay.
class. Sunday is off for sure. Okay. In morning time, I'll take class sometimes on Saturday also. Evening, no, and Sunday is completely off.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
and this is about your AWS, Amazon Web Services. You can just go through this. I think, yeah, I have done this. Introduction to cloud computing and what is cloud computing. A general, discussion about cloud. What are the things we can expect in cloud? Why it is so much in demand? How, the cloud is, how the AWS and the other companies are providing cloud. What are the regions? What are the availability zones? Okay, and then, there is a technology called virtualization technology
Mm,
that
yes.
that virtualization technology we have seen that. That's it. Overall, we have covered this much thing. Okay, service models and deployment models and the architecture. Okay, this region and availability zone also. I think I have completed. I'm not sure. 2 classes means I think I have not gone till here.
Okay.
Okay, but
So I
let me.
can go through recordings if needed, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that
You
won't
have
be a
We have
cause.
the
Yeah.
recordings here, so you can just go through the recordings, whatever I have done. The main topic will start from here. AWS account creation, I have not yet shown them. So the main
Okay.
topic will start from here actually. Networking basics like IP addresses and all those things. Till here,
Yeah.
everything is basic. We can just
Okay.
go through the recorded sessions there. You can just clear everything. And still, if you have any doubt, like I said, I'll be sharing my number, WhatsApp number, or I'll be sharing the mail ID as well after like couple of days so that you can interact with me through WhatsApp, clear your doubts and
Sure.
whatever queries you have, you can forward me queries. That will be my
Yes.
number actually. It will not be like, you're coming through the institute. As of now, there are certain protocols I need to follow. So I may
Yeah.
not be sharing any other details about me, but in coming classes, I'll do this. So just go through this, complete package here. Just go through the syllabus. You can see all the things what we are going to discuss.
Yes. So basically, I do have experience of 5 years in the IT field till now in front end only. So I'll be
Mhm.
able to make a switch in AWS basically, right? The knowledge will be of that level, so they can I can sustain in practical things, right?
See, if you can go with this particular package, I can say like you can add up to like 3 years of experience, because you're not having 5 years of experience in cloud or the servers or networks. You're
Yeah.
coming from a different background. Practically,
Right.
you're coming from a different background. What you can do, you can simply go with this package and you can go up to like 2.5 to 3 years of experience in cloud or let's say server administration. That much you can put in your resume, that much knowledge you can get, that much understanding you can get. But if you want to put
Okay.
complete 5 years of experience on the cloud or the server, that
Mm.
means, my friend, you are putting too much burden on yourself. Company will expect a lot from you, and in
Yeah.
most of the cases, maybe you cannot deliver that.
Okay.
Okay, you're shifting your career, right? You're changing your career. See, just try to go with anything between 2 to 3 years of experience. That is more than enough,
Mm.
because once you start your career here in cloud and DevOps and cybersecurity, whatever things you're planning to do, for next 20 years, you will be in this career for sure. Or till the time you retire, you can be in this career. There is no need for you to shift again or change your career to something else. This particular cloud and DevOps and servers will provide you that many opportunities. So initially, just try to go in a simple and easy way. Just try to go up to like 2 or let's say maximum 3 years of experience. 5
Okay.
will be too much.
Okay, fine. Even two is fine for me. It's just like I'll need some expertise in that. It's not be the case. I'll join another company and they will ask me to do something and I'm not able to do, right? So
Exactly.
yeah.
Exactly. Then you'll face issues once you get a job, and once you are, if I can select sack from the job, it will not be so easy mentally also, right? So yeah, 2 years, if you're
Right.
going with 2 years, that's great for you. That's great for you for your career, especially. It will take some time to like, understand. Again, 6 months, you can learn whatever things you want to learn. Great. But
Mm. Yeah.
the starting 18 months in any technology is always a learning process.
Right.
People
Yes.
actually, the things are so changed, especially after COVID. They just want to complete everything in 1 month.
Mm-hmm.
No way,
Yeah.
my friend. No way. If I want to become a chef in a five-star hotel, and if I say I know how to make an omelette, they are not going to hire me, right?
Right.
I should have many more skills with me. I should know how to make biryani, or maybe let's say, idli dosha, let's say, whatever things are
Yeah.
famously available in India, I should know how to cook all those things. I cannot say like, okay, I can make tea or coffee, hire me as a chef in your five-star hotel. That's literally not possible. So your planning is best. 6 months means you can achieve everything, you can learn everything for sure. Most probably after 6 months only you'll be planning or you will be applying for jobs. Okay, I just want to say
Yeah.
one thing in a friendly way. The career, what you are trying to switch from XYZ to like cloud or DevOps and servers, you have selected a great career. When you do, where you do, with whom you learn, that's a different case. But as a friendly way, I can say you have already decided to go with a great career, and in future, till the time you retire from your job and everything, once you get to a particular age and all those things, till the time actually there will not be any reason for you to shift or change your career to something else. That many opportunities are here actually.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Fine.
okay.
Anything
Yeah.
else here, Neha?
No. I'm bit sorted. Thank you, Shakil. Thank you for your time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So just again, please just go through the management numbers here,
Sure.
and they will contact you soon, hopefully. Just see the recordings and let's see how it goes from tomorrow.
Yeah.
And
Sure.
yeah, if you can go through the recordings, or if you're not free today, let's say you have some office and all those things, just try to come for like 1 or 2 days at 10 a.m. And most probably you'll feel like, okay, how we are approaching this subject and how we are going in this subject. Then hopefully you'll be much better in that particular class. And recorded sessions, the previous recorded sessions, you can go on Saturday and Sunday also. Tomorrow is what, Wednesday, right? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'll take 3 classes, and Saturday, Sunday, you can just revise everything, these coming 3 classes and our previous classes. Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Yes. Sure.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it, my friend. I'm here for like 2 more minutes. Anything else we will see. Or else the session is done for us as for today.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm pretty much clear about the things. So I'll join tomorrow at 10 a.m. maybe.
Oh,
Okay.
okay,
Yeah.
right. Fine. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.